Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. So far Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is expected to launch next year. The leaked renders of the Galaxy S22 Ultra show off the curved design and is reminiscent of the Galaxy Note 20. The Galaxy S21 series was the first to get support for the S Pen outside of the Galaxy Note lineup, after Samsung skipped a Note phone, the purported Galaxy Note 21 this year. This is the first time we are seeing its markings on the next generation of phones in the S lineup. Renowned tipster OnLeaks to bring you the first look of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Along with this, we also know about some of the key features of the phone courtesy of early mock-ups. The reportedly render shows the designs of next year's Galaxy S22 phones, including an Ultra model aimed squarely at Note fans. It would effectively be a sequel to the Galaxy Note 20, complete with an S Pen slot and less rounded corners. There would also be a fourth camera you didn't even see on the S21 Ultra, although it's not clear what functionality you'd get. The other models wouldn't be quite so thrilling, however. If accurate, the renders suggest the S22 and S22 Plus, possibly badged as the S22 Pro, wouldn't be radically different from the S21 on the outside. Please subscribe to Mrnewmobile channel. They'd sport flatter backs and a slightly refined camera bump, but not much more. Most of the changes would sit underneath. Rumors have the regular S22 models will be using Qualcomm's next-gen Snapdragon chip or Samsung's equivalent Exynos. The render of the back of the device is where things get interesting, weird, or bad, depending on your taste. The Galaxy S22 Ultra appears to morph the camera plateau of the S21 Ultra into an unmistakable letter P shape. There certainly seems to be plenty of room for reference. The previous Ultra included a main 108-megapixel wide-angle sensor, two 10-megapixel telephoto sensors, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor on the back of the device. Who knows what the new S22 Ultra will fit? The rumors have the regular S22 models jumping to a 50MP main camera up from 12MP. There's some reason to believe this could be Samsung's design, beyond it fitting with a general trend of camera bumps becoming big and increasingly visible on devices like the iPhone 13 Pro and the yet-to-be-released Pixel 6. OnLeaks has a fairly good track record of leaking phones, pretty closely matching the looks of both the Pixel 5 and the Pixel 6. This kind of refinement to a camera housing also doesn't seem out of the picture. In many ways it's a reduction of the S21 Ultra's cameras. It's not certain when Samsung will launch the S22 family, although it notably bumped up the S21 launch to January this year. If the company repeats that pattern, Note enthusiasts might only have to wait a few months more than usual to get their fix. Well, that is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.